Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can mention someone in Teams. So, first step that you need to take is to open the chat or community group or whatever is that where you would like to mention or ping somebody. So let's say I'll go with this group chat. And while typing a message, simply type this little sign over here, and at the following drop down window or menu, just choose the person that you would like to mention. After that, well, if you would like to, you can further write some message and then send it. And as you can see, this person gets successfully mentioned, tagged, or pinged. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.